In this video, I will show you how to schedule emails on Gmail. In this video, I will show you how to schedule emails in Gmail so you can send messages at the perfect time automatically. To get started, what you want to do is head over to your Gmail, and once you've done that, you just want to click onto the Compose button to bring up the new message window. From here, go ahead and type the name of the recipient. From here, first of all, enter the name of the recipient and the subject. And then what you can do is just start writing your email. Once you've done that, if you come down to the send button, and what you want to do is actually click the small arrow next to send where it says more send options. Once you do this, you're going to see an option come up called schedule send. Give it a click, and what it's going to do is open up a window like this. Now from here, it's going to give you some preset times and dates, but what you can do is come and click onto select date and time. And then of course you can select the date and time that you want to schedule this email to be sent for. For example, if I wanted to send it on Thursday, I would select that from the calendar, and then I can click onto the time box and just enter a time that I want this to be sent. For example, 1:15 PM. Once that's done, click onto the blue schedule send button, and as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, you're going to get a pop-up confirmation saying the time and date when this is scheduled to be sent. So that is how to schedule emails in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. And I will see you in the next video.